Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamaican French toast. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For that special Jamaican touch, we'll also add a pinch of nutmeg and a dash of cinnamon. This combination creates a truly unique and delicious breakfast experience, perfect for any morning. Now let's create our flavorful batter. In a shallow bowl, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget to add that pinch of nutmeg and dash of cinnamon for authentic Jamaican flavor. For an extra creamy texture and sweetness, stir in 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth, ready for dipping. With our batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread and immerse it in the batter for about 10 to 15 seconds per side. You want it fully coated but not overly saturated. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook each slice for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy edge. Your delicious Jamaican French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm, stacked high on a plate. For a classic touch, drizzle with maple syrup or a bit of honey. You can also add fresh sliced bananas or berries for a vibrant presentation. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds a beautiful finish. This unique and flavorful breakfast is sure to become a family favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.